Okay, we are back.
On our way to the bridge.
It's the same day. We decided we're not gonna give up. We just came
The
at
fire ants, my guy.
we just came at the house like 10 minutes ago, and we decided we are going again. Not gonna give up. So our road is we're going to walk on the road. Then if we don't see one house, then we will cross. Damn. Whoa.
Yeah, it's a
Hey.
snake skin.
Damn. This is very rare.
Already.
Damn. We are not even a minute in,
Yeah, no.
and we already found
I'm
this.
just gonna hold it. I'm gonna put it in the bag.
But it's going to
Flexible.
going this way here. Okay, now put it in the small bag, please.
Yes. Small and the big one.
Small.
Yeah, and up here.
Yes.
Okay, where your phone goes.
Yes.
Okay.
Damn,
So
that
nothing
is.
crushes it.
I can't believe we saw it when we came.
Yeah.
Because this is here
same road
at the gate.
we went.
Yeah,
It's maybe a fresh skin. It's
at the
maybe
gate.
a fresh skin, my guy.
Can't be.
Yeah.
It
Very
can.
thin.
Wait.
Kind of wet.
Here's the snake traces.
Yeah.
You can see it. Very cool.
That's
Damn.
extremely cool.
It's literally at the
Already?
gate where
Look,
we
here's the
were. I can't believe. Yeah, look at our trace. Here
That's
we
our
walk.
foot traces. That's my trace.
Yes, that is his. This is mine. Yeah. But
You
yeah,
walk here.
we need to get to walking.
Yes, yours.
But yeah, now we are now going to walk. Very long. Damn. Today it is going to be
12 minutes past 6 on our way to the bridge.
yeah. But yeah,
Catch you on later.
guys, we found
Baboon
traces.
Looks like baboon trace.
It's not baboon, but it's. Look at this.
Very
This
big.
can't be a dog. Definitely. Dog's nails is not like that.
Out. Yeah.
That's
can't be a
probably
leopard.
yeah. See, dogs usually don't do that. It's probably cat, but they sharpen their nails on the road.
Or
But
it can be a wild cat. You don't know.
yeah, I'm going to take a photo